Hello everyone, this is Hosni, your 24/7 realtor 416-728-8413.
Hello everyone, this is Tawfiq Alam at 647-239-2083.
Today we are presenting 146 Gradwell Avenue in the area of St. Clair Avenue and Kingston Road. And what's the school of the name?
The famous RS King is right from here within 2 minutes, I would say.
If you walk, if you drive, maybe 10 seconds. Beautiful property. The reason we are presenting today is listed for only how much?
649.
There you go. This is like a piece of cake for you to buy.
Yeah.
In
Absolutely.
terms of real estate in the city of Toronto.
The lot size is 35 by 122.
Yeah, let's go check it out. It's a total project, as you can see. Vinyl siding house, big carport. We can see the air conditioning is brand new.
So I would say around 5 to 6 cars you can park.
At least, yeah, parallelly.
Driveway need to be done.
Need to be done. Driveway, first of all. The windows from outside.
And we are getting in the unit.
We are going inside.
Okay.
Yeah, right over here. These windows comparatively looks a little bit new. And floor, not bad.
No cracking noise on the floor.
No cracking noise.
Work need to be done.
This is the first bedroom. The floor needs to be changed or replaced.
You see one of a kind, unique type of
Window. And let's go to the other room. So one room there, you have living and dining together. Then over here on your right hand side, you got another room. Also the floor needs work. This one too, floor needs work. Overall painting would be fantastic. These windows are old too, that needs to be replaced. It's basically a gut job that you can do a lot of things. What do you think?
Kitchen is right here.
How is the kitchen? Is it outdated?
Kitchen is overall okay, I would say, but as a renovated property and you want to make money out of it as an investor, there is a work need to be done here, right here.
And we also have the washroom over here. Bhai, washroom is in good condition. আসলে এই বাড়ির মোটামুটি সবকিছুই কাজ করতেছে এই মুহূর্তে, বাট আপগ্রেড করতে চাইলে উপরতলাটা স্পেশালি পুরোপুরি আপগ্রেড করা যাবে।
Ceiling and height is decent, I would say. And we're coming towards a separate entrance. You can come through the back here. You can see right here, right?
The backyard is right over here. You can come through this way. And backyard is a little bit of triangle shape, so it shrinks at the back, but you have more than enough space to enjoy. Ashen bhitor jai.
This area definitely will be lots better. Mature tree right there. And nowadays, separate entrance is a pain. Lot of pain in there, but it's done. That's a good part, and they really connected properly. Now we are coming towards the basement area.
Basement is the main place that you need to do the work. If you can do underpinning, that would be fantastic. It has somehow heights, as you can see on the walls and everything. There is a little bit of traces of, like the whole thing needs work.
Yeah, absolutely.
The whole thing needs work. This is the basement. So the best part of the house is it's listed only for 650.
650.
And it has the full basement. So if you wanna do it, you can easily make a 2-bedroom unit, right?
Yeah. Height is decent.
Yeah, and also the heating is oil heating. So overall, you need to do pretty much everything. This is circuit breaker. One of the thing is done already, the electric amp, and this is the cold storage. So again, we are standing in 146 Gradwell Avenue in the area of St. Clair and Kingston Road. If you are in the market to do a renovation project by yourself, feel free to give us a call for a private showing. 416-728-8413.
Property is in the market within 6 days, I would say, and this property, the price they listed will fly. So if you want to interest in, just give us a call. Tawfiq at 647-239-2083 or
Hosni. Thank you. Take care. Bye now.
Bye now.